Mwadiki mukaru ministry ya dhamana motungata ma muingi ma thirikari Bellio Kipsang augite na ibandi kimana mamiro itatu citioetwo ni ene kuma wabici-ini cia thirikari. Kipsang akiuria ene na ongereire kuuga wandĩkithia wa ibandi nĩ wongererekete na gĩkĩro kĩnene ũkĩringithania na arĩa matwarĩte ibandi meyandĩkithie.
And collected ID is still a challenge. I say that it has accumulated. It may not be a challenge now with the fast turnaround time, because those days when it took you months to get your ID, sometimes people waited until they left them. We have 460,000 IDs which have been produced and collected. And through this sensitization of chiefs and engagement, remember we had Jukwaa la Usalama, and then now we have this usajili, using all these mechanisms and now bringing in our national government administrative officers. Then we are using them to be able to distribute this.